Guys, in this video I will show you how you can create an order form on Wix Store. Really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, what you need to do here, you need to go on this little icon that says add apps, and you will be on the Wix app market. On search apps, you need to write 1 2 3 form builder, right? And it will be this one, form builder. And what you need to do here is to add to your website, right? So as you can see here, I already installed this extension or plugin, and then you will see this window, and then press on settings. And if you want to have order form, you need to simply go on forms, and as you can see here, there is order form here. So press on it, and as you can see here, now from contact form, it will be order form here. You can see here it's loading, but as you can see here, it's order form, right? And I need to extend it. And then if you want to basically customize it, just go on settings again, and then go back on here, customize settings, and you will have basically to log in with your Google account, Facebook, or Windows account, and then you will have access to basically customize your order form. So you can here do a bunch of different things. You can add a lot of new fields or other stuff, edit font, payments, and way more, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.